Okay, we back, guys. Let's see if we can get this front bump off ourselves. All right, guys, we back. Back with another one. See the stuff we done did. Get them fenders off, get them bumpers off. That's what's going on. That's what's going on. Gotta get it ready for paint. We coming. I don't know if I'm gonna change that fender. Might. I know this gotta go. I'm gonna change the front clip too, I guess. Okay, we back. Y'all see it. Here it go. Remember I told y'all about how we got all new door handles, new key locks. When we get the top done, new signs. New emblems, new emblems, new emblems. Anybody know the maroon things I showed y'all on that last video? Go down the side. We looking good, we looking good. New front clip. New front clip, all new motors. One of them. Shout out to my boy Chevy boy A8 for that fender he sold me, and I went home and put it on myself. Tell me how I did. Did it look good? Come on, man. I put that on myself. Come on, man. Let me show you. I put that on myself. So we looking, that's how we coming. How we looking? New bumper fillers back here. We got 2 new ones. Finna get new exhaust. Little dent on roof getting fixed. We coming. Inside looking good. I took all the door panels off and stuff myself already. Like I said, don't mind the exhaust rattling. That's all getting. Y'all gotta stay tuned for the exhaust video. That's gonna be a video coming not too far after a lot of these done. Let's go. DJ off hustling flow. Let's go.